everyone and welcome to a new video, and this time I am going back to one of my old ones, and that is cherries. And cherries, oh, it's heavy this time. There we go. CHERRYZ is a company that has very low prices on a lot of things, and I have a discount code for you down below that you can use. I've ordered quite a lot of things from there, a lot of household items and some snacks and candy, and I think it is pretty much the same this time. It is a bit of cleaning, a bit of this, a bit of that, not too much of decoration and stuff. I don't think so. I can't really remember what I got in here, but we're gonna have a look. You're gonna see what I have, and you are gonna have to go and take a look at CHERRYZ because they're really good, and I really enjoy ordering stuff from there. So let's open it up and have a look. So what do we have in here? We can start with candy. As we all know, Halloween's on its way. And what I thought was good with these, well, not only are they affordable, but they're all wrapped pieces. So they're lollipops and little sweets and things. And it's not like the kids have to put their hands in there and you get all the germs. They're all wrapped up, and I just think that's really good. So yeah, I've got quite a lot of candy actually. So I got those. 2 packs. I've got some lollies, also 2 packs. And I just felt like that's quite good actually. We're not the biggest village in the area, and I don't know how many is going to come around knocking our door, but at least we've got a little bit at home, and we're prepared. Next up, we have a little 4-legged lady in the family as well, and she needs something. And what I found out is that CHERRYZ has actually got quite a lot of dog treats and candy and things. So it's really worth the money for sure. And I've got this. I've got some all sorts meaty treats. That's chicken, beef and lambs, and they're bakers, so they're Purina. We also got a meaty mix. Little goody goody. And then we got some chew sticks, because she needs to have something to chew on, don't you, Libby? Yeah. I say talking to you. I am. Oh, I've got 2 other chew sticks. And some more meaty mix. And then, of course, we come to the part that none of us really like, but we need to do it, and it's washing and cleaning. And I've got some washing machine cleaner, and I hope this is going to work, because it is so easy that your washing machine... Oops, mailman just came and rang the doorbell. Yeah, that's all for you, Lou. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, washing machine. It is so easy to have your washing machine a little bit, or you can smell the stale water or something like that. And I just want to try these to see if they can help with a big clean. I've done loads of these cleans that you're supposed to do with the washing machine that's on the temperature 90 degrees and whatever, but I haven't tried one of these, so I'm going to do that, see if that helps. I will let you know. drain away, drain and blocker. We do not have a lot of block drains here, but we do have quite smelly drains. So I'm thinking that there might probably be something stuck somewhere in a bend somewhere. So maybe this will help. There's 3 sachets in here, 3 40-gram sachets. So we're going to try that. And yeah, hopefully. It says it goes in sinks, showers and baths. So good one. I got 2 of them, I think. Yes, I did. 2 of them. Oh yeah, okay. I've got 2 of them as well. So I've got 2 of most things here. And then when you have a dog, you need these. These are not the best. I'm going to say that because you can see how thin they are. There's like not a lot of layers on here. They're probably going to run out pretty quickly. But it was an emergency. We didn't have anything. Girls go to school. They have uniforms. We've got a doggy that has got a very light fur. So, a coat. I don't know what you say. So this is going to come in handy. Absolutely. I am going to let you know what everything costs. I'm going to let you know the total of what I spent on all of these things, and I thought there was quite a lot actually. And yeah, don't forget to go down and have a look at the discount code, because I mean, this is not a lot of money and it's really affordable. They have lots of other things as well. They've got a lot of plastic things like Tupperware stuff you can use. They've got a little bit of home decoration. They've got a little bit of Halloween stuff now for Halloween. They've got a little bit of this and that. So go and have a look. It's not a massive, big, super duper quality on the stuff, but of course you pay a lot less for them. So just have a look at what you want to buy, and I'm sure you can find something that's good enough for you. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to me, hit the little bell, leave a comment and a little like so that I know that you enjoyed this video. And I will see you again next time for my next videos. It might be clothes, it might be makeup, it might be something else, who knows. Welcome back. I'll see you then. Bye.